Have you ever wondered how businesses collect massive amounts of public data without getting blocked? Meet Decodo, the new face of Smartproxy, the all-in-one AI-powered proxy and web scraping solution built for 2025. So what is Decodo and what does it offer?
Welcome to Decodo, your solution for global proxy networks and web scraping. Decodo, formerly Smartproxy, empowers businesses with access to public data. We offer proxies, including residential, mobile, ISP, and data center options. Residential proxies use real IPs for anonymity, while mobile proxies mimic user behavior. ISP proxies combine stability with authenticity, and data center proxies offer speed. Our web scraping API extracts public data at scale, featuring templates for e-commerce and social media. Decodo provides AI-powered parsing to convert HTML into JSON, simplifying data integration. Key features include rotating sessions, precise geo-targeting, and browser fingerprinting protection. Common use cases span web scraping, SEO monitoring, market research, and ad verification. To get started, create an account on the Decodo website, access your dashboard, and manage your proxies. Decodo offers flexible pricing plans tailored to your specific usage.
And that's how Decodo, formerly Smartproxy, helps you collect and manage public data smarter, faster, and safer. If you're ready to take your web scraping or SEO projects to the next level, follow the link in the video to get started with Decodo today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more AI and online tool reviews from Ray Creators Lab.